Circle B Bar Reserve, with an area of 1,267 acres, is located near Lakeland, Florida. As you can see from the map, it is on the northwest shore of Lake Hancock. The reserve is covered with oaks, palm trees, and other types of trees. Because of my travel time constraint, I must rush back to Orland International Airport, and do not have time to get close contact with wild animals. This trip will only cover the oak tree hiking tour. With Spanish moss and ferns on the branches, the oak trees make the highlight of nature in the reserve and provide the essential habitat to wildlife. In addition to the oak hammock, the ecosystem here also contains freshwater wetlands and Banana Creek marsh, attracting different wildlife from amphibians, to reptiles, to birds and mammals. The reserve has many short trails for hiking, including 9 short trails. The most interesting trail is probably Alligator Alley, where you can see different species of birds and alligators. My biggest mistake is that I did not leave enough time to walk on Alligator Alley to see the wild alligators. But I recommend a good video below for you to see the alligators and birds from Alligator Alley. The Circle B Bar Reserve has been named as one of the 51 great places to see wildlife by USA Today Travel. In my next Central Florida trip, I want to come back to see the alligators. Maybe I am lucky, I can meet the famous alligator crossing the trail, captured in the going viral video in 2017.